guys, this is Joe. Just giving you a quick little video update here. I'm about 24 hours post-procedure from the multi-unit hair grafting that I had done yesterday. Actually on my way home right now from having my first wash. I'm told everything looks really good, feel pretty good. The doctor actually said that we were able to get quite a few more hairs than what he had originally anticipated. So far it looks like we're on the right track. We are 5 days post-procedure here with my youngest one, Luke. But anyways, I'm gonna hand the camera over to him here while I do a little fishing. Like I said, we still got quite a bit of scabbing. There has been a little bit loosened up now that I've actually been able to shampoo on the scalp. Last night, worked my first full 8-hour shift. Sunday nights are my Mondays. Not too bad. I was a little tender in the suture area. I think that was mostly just from being up for the 8 hours, moving around constantly. I will be seeing you guys at PAI this coming Saturday. Supposed to be having the stitches taken out. Hey guys, this is Joe. We are 10 days post-op. So I just had the suture taken out just a little bit ago at your guys' office. Give you a little peek here underneath the cap at what we got. So right here, I still have a little bit of the scabbing, the kind of the leopard polka dot look there going, but a bunch of it came off. Overall, it's been pretty smooth. Bringing you another little video here of my hair journey. It's been 1 month and 4 days since I had my multi-unit grafting done. So let's see what we have here. And this is what we got. All the scabbing, of course, left and everything. I lost a lot of the hairs, the little bands. I could actually see them come out, especially after shower. On this side, in particular, right here where the hairline was rebuilt, I'm starting to get some of the little blonde baby hairs coming back in. I had my first haircut since the procedure. I had that done last week and just had it trimmed up some. Been doing the laser, the at-home laser band. Began using the Rogaine and the Propecia. Been taking that, so I should be good to hook, as they say. Hey guys, Joe, bringing you another video here. We're just a hair over 3 months, no pun intended. Yeah, this is what we have so far. It's come in, I think, probably a little bit quicker than the average from what I'm hearing. I have had absolutely no issues. Knock on wood.
He spends a lot more time in front of the mirror now. I find him in the bathroom staring at his hair all the time. So
I was just checking the mirror. Hey guys, this is Joe, bringing you another little video here for my post multi-unit grafting procedure. I had it done 5 months and 1 week ago. The hair here is coming in nice. I'm gonna hand off the camera here to my wife and we'll take a full look at it. So we have the hairline came in really nice so far. It's really starting to thicken up. I'm gonna turn around here so you can see the back. So far, no complaints. I couldn't be happier, and I think pretty much family, friends, people who haven't seen me in a while, everybody kind of notices it. So it's definitely got some progress going here. All right, thanks. Hey guys, it's Joe. I'm bringing you another little video here. This is actually a milestone video. It's the 6-month mark. It's coming in pretty good. The part there that was put in by my my barber, so that was done intentionally. But yeah, it's coming in pretty thick. We're really starting to get a lot of thickness. Yeah, everything is coming along magically, I think. I was actually so proud. I actually didn't wear a hat in the deer stand, which is, I always wear a hat when I'm outdoors, but this year I just couldn't bring myself to do it. I had to let the magnificent locks blow in the breeze, I guess. But didn't I? Yeah. So I guess we still got 6 months of waiting to see what else happens here, but so far I can't complain. Everybody's pretty astounded whenever they see my hair. Hi. Where the magic happens, where the beauty happens. Beauty's whenever I leave this guy alone.
Alright guys, we're here with Joe Bergen. What are we, Joe? 8 months?
7.
7 months post-transplant? Let's have a look at his suture line here. He's wearing his hair really short, which is really awesome. Let's just zoom in close so you can see this little scar. suture line right there.
Hey guys, this is Joe bringing you a 9-month video on my post-procedure on my multi-unit hair grafting procedure. Here with the troop somewhere back there hiding out.
Hi.
I just wanted to give you guys a follow-up here. It's been a little while since we did a video, but it's really gotten thick. Got snow in it. As you can see, we're walking across the parking lot with snow. I still actually have some hair growth. I've got some ingrown hairs and stuff that are still forming, so we are getting quite a bit of length. Kind of look like a wishing troll there, but it's thick and it's definitely starting to get some length to it. I've grown it out a little bit. We're coming up on the year. We'll get a good one here soon. All right, thanks, bye. The main comment that I get from others is not until I tell them that I've had it done. And usually the first comment is, if you hadn't told me, I never would have known. I would have to say to all the staff at PAI, thank you for everything. It exceeded my expectations. If I could do it, anybody could do it.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.